Here we'll talk about Niti Aayog. It is also known as Think Tank of India, right? So it is launched by PM Narendra Modi. That's why I'm using orange color. Sorry, lame joke. Okay, so this Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. It is launched on January 1, 2015. Headquarters present in New Delhi, and the CEO is Parmeshwaran Iyer. So just remember, it is present in New Delhi, launched by PM Narendra Modi in 2015, January 1st. It's also known as Think Tank of India. Why it is called as this Think Tank? Because here we are producing more strategies and technical advice, right? So in this, we are trying to provide government with the relevant strategies and new technological advice. So that's why it's also known as this think tank. And let us see the functions of it. So first, we'll promote this rapid rise of standard of living. So by this, we are trying to promote the standard of living. And second, exploitation of resources. So for this, first we'll have to assess what are the resources present in our country, right? And then we'll plan how to use these resources, and afterwards we'll evaluate and monitor if we have used these resources properly or not. So the 3 points under resources: first we'll assess the resources present in our country, and then we'll formulate a plan for the utilization of resources, monitor and evaluation of the implementation of programs, right? We have done with standard of living and also resources. Now coming to the third point, here we are increasing production. It is also known as think tank because it provides government with the relevant strategy and the technical advice. And coming to the fourth point, we are providing employment opportunities for many people to focus on this technological upgradation and also capacity building, right? So the main purpose of this Niti Aayog is to provide government some strategies and technological advice. For that, we are employing people also, right? For the capacity building and also technological upgradation. So you can remember all these functions by this word SERP. SERP. S stands for standard of living, E stands for employment opportunities, and R stands for this resources. So under resources, you are supposed to write 3 points. One, assessment of resources. Second, we'll plan how to use these resources, and then we'll monitor and evaluate if we have used the resources properly or not, if the implemented programs are properly working or not, right? And then P stands for production. And the production, we are providing the government with the relevant strategy and technical advice. So in the main point you have to remember in Niti Aayog is providing relevant strategical and technological advice to the government. Now coming to the next point, Niti Aayog also marked states, union territories in attempt to measure national health performance. 21 large states, 8 small states, and 7 union territories. So it is measuring the states and union territories and dividing it based on the national performance. So just remember SERP. S stands for standard of living. So we are raising the standard of living of people. And also E stands for employment opportunities. We are capacity building. Like capacity building means giving more employment and job opportunities to the people in the technological areas. And resources, so assessment, planning, monitor, evaluation. Pre is production, so it is an important point, so do not forget about this point. So we have to increase the production, we have to provide government with relevant strategies and technological advice. So this is SERP. So just, yeah, that's about it. Bye.